Hi everybody, this is Crystal. So I just wanted to go over a really good online deal that Lion Brand is having right now on their website. It's on lionbrand.com. Now they have yarn for $1 a skein. Now that is a good deal. Now I'm going to show you what I got. What I got was a whole bunch of t-shirt yarn. I love t-shirt yarn, and it's normally $9 a skein. Well, I got it for $1 a skein. So I bought quite a bit of it. And I'm just opening it right now. And I'm going to show you what it's like. The thing with t-shirt yarn, when you get it from Lion Brand, it's called fettuccine. It's made with recycled fabrics and stuff. So you don't get a lot of the same colors, you know what I mean? You might get a couple the same, maybe 3 if you're lucky, but other than that, that's what makes your project unique, because everyone, a lot of times it's different, because it's just recyclables, and you know, every color or sequence is going to be different than the next. But here's 2 of them right here. These are the same. Now this is the fettuccine yarn. It's the t-shirt yarn, which I really like. There's only 55 yards in a skein. And like I said, it's normally $9, but they have it right now for $1 a skein. I just checked. So right now they have it. They do have other yarns too for $1. But I got a whole bunch of the t-shirt yarn. So, and they're really neat. And they're great for bags. They're great for rugs. Pet houses. Great. They're really great for a lot of stuff. Baskets, because they hold their shape. See how they kind of tried to give me two skeins of the same color. They do have them in solids too. So here's 2 solids that are the same, and these are the prints right here. I actually got quite a bit of it because I really like it, and I'm afraid, since it's going on clearance for so cheap, that they may not have it for much longer. That's just an indication to me that they might be discontinuing it. Now, I'm not certain. See, these 2 do not match. They're pretty close, but they don't match. Like I said, I'm not 100% certain that they're going to be discontinued, but that's just kind of my assumption, since they're just doing it. They're selling them for so cheap. Like I said, these are normally $9. That's so cute. The prints are adorable. I love the prints. You can mix and match them with the solids when you make things. Super cute. And like I said, I really like t-shirt yarn, since I like to make bags. And you will notice when you get, some will be stiffer and some will be more, some will be softer. And all the prints, they're all labeled assorted. There's no color to them. Like I said, it's always going to be different. If you ordered now, you may not get the same ones that I have right now. Just showing you all the colors I got. Oh, this one's pretty. I like this one. Ooh, you can tell. I think these are the same. Yeah. You can tell that was a fabric with roses on it. You can see it there. That's so pretty. Now you can mix and match these, like I said, with the solids. Make something really pretty with them. Here, I only got 1 yellow in that box, solid. And then I got this print, which is a black and white print. And I got this one, which is by itself. So you never know what you're going to get. And you can mix all these prints together and make something. This one looks like it was made, had like pears or something on it. I like to look at the fabric of the print ones to see if I could tell what it was. I could tell this had either apples or pears or something on it. They're so cool. And then I got, oh, more solids here. 2 grays. Oh my. 2 blacks. They're not quite the same color. Black. I got 2 navies. And then 2 reds, which actually, these might match this other red. Nope, they don't. They're brighter red. And I actually got more. I got 60 skeins of this yarn because I said it's only $1 a piece, and I'm just afraid it's gonna run out. So I'll show you the rest of them real quick so you can decide if you want to get it. But I encourage you to check out their website. I got these two for the prints. Now Lion Brand isn't paying me to say any of this. I bought this with my own money, and Lion Brand don't have anything to do with it. So pretty turquoise. They come in solid and prints, like I said. That's purples. A little bit different colors. Be cool to make a really neat rug. I like kind of a charcoal color. Solid greens, those are pretty. Let's see here. Solid pinks, which these are a little different than the pinks I got already. So 2 of those, which are different. And then I got some more prints. Oh, actually, let's see. These are cute. See how they're all kind of different. But when you order in a mass quantity like this, it's the best bet as far as getting a couple that are the same and also getting a good deal on shipping, and which I'll go over shipping here in just a minute. I apologize, I don't have a real big work area to show you all of them, but here's another couple prints right here. I have not got any more than 2 prints of the same so far that I've seen. Let's see here. These 2. I can't tell what was on that, but super cute. I love them. Let's see. These 2. Oh, is that the same? I might have got 4 of these. Yep, I did. And it is a rarity, I think, to get 4 of the same color. That's super neat. That's neat. So you'll be able to make something with the same color print there. Let's see. 2 of these. I don't have any of these, so 2 of those. And then I got 2 of these. Well, so this one also looks kind of like it had bunnies on it. See the little ears? Like I said, I love guessing what the fabric was before they cut it up. And then I got 2 more here. Matching prints. I like the prints better than the solids. I think they're super cool and they're all unique. Like I said, you rarely get 2 prints of the same. You rarely get more than that. I got lucky and actually got 4 of this one, which is awesome. But I don't mind the prints being mixed up because that's what I get the solids for. So I can mix the solids and the prints together and make something really cool. See that? Those mix up good. And then take a solid and mix it with this print. So yeah. So let's talk about, I'll show you what I got here. Now let's talk about 60 skeins, $1 skein. Let's talk about the shipping. Now, it benefits you to buy a large quantity of their $1 items on Lion Brand. Because if you just buy a little bit, like just 3 or 4 skeins, the shipping's going to be high. But I bought 60 skeins. I actually did it in 2 separate orders because it was the shipping was cheaper to do it that way. So I bought 30 skeins in one order, and the shipping was, to me, to where I live, it was $15. So I paid $30 for 30 skeins and then the $15 shipping, which made it $45. So I actually only paid, including the shipping, $1.50 a skein, which is a steal because this is usually $9. And then I did another separate transaction, 30 skeins, paid $15 shipping, so it made them all $1.50 a skein. The reason why I did it separate, when I added 60 skeins to my cart, the shipping was $39 for some reason. But when I separated it, it was only $15 for each pile, if you understand what I mean. So I saved $9 by separating making 2 orders. They both came the same day, so it really made no difference other than I saved $9 on shipping. So if you decide to buy a large quantity for them, kind of put a few in your cart and adjust the shipping. You know, it'll be cheaper the more you put in. I don't know how to explain it, but just work with the shipping a little bit and see. Like I noticed when I put 60 skeins in my cart that the shipping was $39. But I noticed when I only had 30 skeins, it was only $15. So I decided to do 2 separate transactions of 30 and make my shipping all together for 60 skeins was $30 for 2 separate transactions. I hope you're understanding that. But if I would have done it in one transaction, the shipping would have been $39. So I saved myself $9 by doing it that way. Now, this isn't the only yarn that they have on there. They also have a bunch of this wool spun, which this is really nice yarn. They got a few colors of this. They have some Lion Brand Heartland, some other ones. So what you want to do is go to lionbrand.com as soon as you can, because they're going to sell out fast. But they do have some right now. I just checked right before I made this video. You go to lionbrand.com and in the search engine section, type dollar bin, and all what they have for $1 will come up. And like I said, it's going to benefit you to buy a large quantity. If you just buy a few skeins, it's not going to be worth it shipping wise. The shipping will probably be as much as the yarn. But if you got the means to do it, I recommend getting some of this t-shirt yarn, because like I said, I have a feeling it's going to be discontinued, and it's so awesome to make rugs and all kinds of stuff with. I think it's all cotton actually. Recycled cotton. Maybe not. Let's see, it is a bulky 6. Oh, it's undetermined fabrics. So it's just fabrics from all different leftovers. They don't know what it is, but so that's why I said some of them feel different than others. Like this one's really softer. This one's a bit stiffer. Not much. But some of them are going to be stiffer than others. Some of them are going to be cut thinner than others. This one's cut a bit thicker, you know, because they're all different. And that's what's so cool about them. I know I have a lot here, but I think I'm going to order more. Now, I encourage you to go on Lion Brand and do the same before they sell out. It's a really, really good deal. Like I said, they do have other yarns there, but I just wanted to give you guys the heads up on this great dollar clearance that Lion Brand's having. It's not going to last for long, because people on Facebook know about it. They told me, so I ordered it, and I wanted to share it with all my YouTube fans, because I know you guys enjoy cheap yarn just as much as me. I mean, if you can get a good deal, 60 skeins of all this yarn, t-shirt yarn. I love t-shirt yarn. $60 plus the shipping, but made it $1.50 a skein. I mean, you cannot beat that considering it's regular $9. So it's awesome. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, I'll put the link below to lionbrand.com, and I'll put a link to where the dollar bin's at. So you just click right on that, go to it, check out, see what they got. If you can do it, if you can buy it, I suggest you do it as soon as you can. That way, you know, they don't run out, because I know it's going to run out fast. So I just wanted to let all you guys know. Thanks everybody for watching, and I hope you guys get good deals. Yarn deals. We got to love them. Bye everybody.